Hey, it's Mark Oberg here with Berkshire Hathaway Beach Properties of Florida, and I am out at Latitude Margaritaville. I'm going to give you a tour of the Beach Collection single-family home, the Parrot floor plan. Two-car garage. Its starting price is $347.99. It is a two-bedroom, two-bath. It has 1,900 square feet, and it's a lovely-looking home. Let's go on in. Now, there's people inside. I'm wearing my mask today, so my audio is a little muffled. And about that, I know it's windy today. I'm not a professional YouTuber, or a professional cameraman or audio man or anything like that. I wanted to put these tours out. Step into the foyer. Got a nice high ceiling. Upgraded trim package. As a matter of fact, almost everything you're going to see is not included in that base price I just quoted to you. Hi, come on in. Sorry about that. I make a terrible door, don't I?
My granddaughter says, "You're not glass, Grandma."
Here's the den off the foyer.
Very nice. Very nice.
We'll head this way.
Where? Huh?
Show you the garage real quick. Now this is the upgraded epoxy floor. Two-car garage. It will fit two SUVs. But again, this is a golf cart community, so you're going to want to put that golf cart somewhere. Plenty of space for storage. HVAC closet. I'll go take a look at the laundry room here real quick. I'm going to go over to this window because I want to show you the tankless water heater that's on the house next door. That is the tankless water heater system they're going to install in the homes. Back out. Let's go to the front guest bedroom. Back into the foyer. Got a full hall bath. Now this is the guest bedroom wing, but this is right off the foyer. Lovely shower. A little linen closet here. And the front guest bedroom. I believe that is a queen. Might actually be a twin. Nice bay window. And an angle so you can get a good feel of the scale. Closet. And we'll head back out. Full bath. I showed that to you already. Another look. And we'll go into the common living area. Another look at the den real quick. Common living area. Nice vaulted ceiling. That is an upgraded trim package up there. Got a breakfast nook over there, breakfast area, island. They have the margarita fixtures here, margarita glass fixtures. Right off the kitchen is this all-purpose room. It could be a formal dining room, a breakfast area, an office. Right into the primary bedroom. Does have a tray ceiling, however that trim package is an upgrade. Large bay window. I believe that's a California king bedroom set. Give you an idea of scale. Moving into the ensuite, you have his and her closets. And on the other side, this one's a bit bigger. This is the hers, am I right? And the bathroom. Look at this shower. Very spacious. Easily put a bench in there. Double vanity. And the water closet. We're going to head out to the patio. Now this does have the upgraded screened in. I might have said updated, I meant upgraded. And a patio extension on it. I'm pretty sure that everything past the columns is an extension. And I believe the pavers are an upgrade too, otherwise it would be brushed cement. Well, that wraps this tour up. If you have any questions, you can reach me at 404-406-4887 or mark.w.oberg@gmail.com. Bye now.